Doesn't God control everything?
He's not in control. We're in control.
He created the rules. He created the framework. And we're playing with it. He's in control to the extent that you don't have any power without him. But at the end of the day, he allowed you to make decisions that are real. Live, real time. You're playing with real fire. And this is why he gave us a Torah to say, don't think that you're here and everything is already pre-planned so you can do whatever you want. No, there's a way to do this that's going to cause good. There's a way to do this that's going to cause bad, because I created the framework. I know everything you're going to do, how the system is going to react. But you're still the one doing it and causing that reaction to be real. This is what Moshe Rabbeinu says. It means I'm giving you real live choices. But you can trust the system because I designed the system. Don't assume the system is unfair. The system knows what it's doing. The system is nature and it's perfect. But within nature, if you mess with it, it's going to get you. And this is why there's a toichacha. It's not pleasant to read what's written in there. We can make it really, really bad. Not only we can, we have. And so the Torah is telling us, don't do that. Don't cause things that will eventually increase suffering on this planet. Because nature's already been designed that whatever you put into it, whatever you plant, will come back to you. It knows your name, it knows where you live, it knows your family. And so when we interact with nature, interacting live, it's really happening, and we're recording live. And so we have to take it seriously. That's what the Torah says. Take this seriously, take protecting your heart seriously, because if you take other things seriously, your heart will get damaged. And then the other things and your heart will not be the way that you want them to be. And if all you want is the heart, if all you want is living with the Creator and you just need to survive while you do that, then life will be lived from a place where it's going to be easier. Because you're going to have the right intention. You're going to take off all the clothing from all the different desires that people have. You're going to come to the source root of those desires. And the source root of those desires is always that the heart should be able to find peace. And so you're going to go directly to the end, and you're just going to work on your heart having peace. And then you can have it all. Because everything anybody ever wanted was just for this ultimate purpose.